Guys, you can't really feel this probably. I think it's over. We just had like an earthquake. Hello and good morning guys. Welcome back. You see this? You can probably see it, but it's really cold and you see like fog already, so and I'm already half sick, so that's why I wear a scarf. I wear like a big sweater, a shirt underneath and a huge jacket over it because I'm like a bit of sick. And I don't know if I told you guys, but Marion and I were going to San Pedro de Atacama, like to the desert on Friday, which is like in about 3 days. So I have to get better. I have to get like back into my normal condition. Now I'm currently on my way to school. We survived the earthquakes. Well, it wasn't really an earthquake to be honest. Guys, you can't really feel this probably. I think it's over. We just had like an earthquake. It wasn't a heavy earthquake, but everything was shaking. Like the last 2 weeks we had like 2 or 3 or even more soft earthquake temblors, as they would call it here. And now we had like another one, but this one was like more intense than the other ones. So according to the news, it was a magnitude of 7.1. Like everything here in Chile is considered as an earthquake with a magnitude of 8. And in the rest of the world it's 5. Like a little bit of shaking, and I was still able to walk, so it wasn't bad at all because I was actually running for my camera because I wanted to grab. So I was running around in my room and I couldn't find my camera, so it wasn't that bad after all. But I first experienced like an earthquake like this because I've never been into a situation like this, and it was kind of scaring but exciting at the same time because you know that you're safe. Buildings are built safe here, but you don't know how you're gonna react when it really happens. And the reason why I wanted to take you guys, because today we have an international fair at our university, which is basically all the international students, they could put up like a stand, if you know what I mean, like a small stand and represent their country. And I have some friends from Mexico who actually have a stand, and they gonna like make some Mexican food and everything and like show the country, like representing it with a flag and everything. So this is gonna be quite exciting today at the UDD. To the international ferry. You see it? You see it? We're getting there. Y un pan típico de Finlandia que está hecho en base de papas. Pueden pasar a conversar amablemente con Lota y con Beli, que les van a ofrecer esta degustación. That's Mexico. Oh no! Welcome to our 11th fair. You? Finland. Vodka? Vodka? Okay. It's alcohol. Marion has her name written in Korean. Nice. And I'm gonna have my one as well. Oh, how beautiful. That means I love you. And here we have the French stand. With food. And now we're going to Germany. Woo! Germany, Germany. Oh, it's like a cake. Oh, yum, that looks good. Are we gonna try this? Are we gonna try this? There we have like a little cake. Yum, look at this, yummy. Let's go and see iBike. Woo. Look at her. How beautiful the dress. Oh, that's special tea, I guess. Nice. Here we have Turkish coffee, and it's definitely different than normal coffee you would guess, but good. Hi. That's beautiful though. Finally, Mexico is on! That's from Mexico. It's so good.
puede pasar a tomar este exquisito. Experiencia en Europa, específicamente ojalá en Holanda, la mejor experiencia se va a llevar premios.
This is from Chile. It is like churrasco. It's like bread with a sausage and it's so good. And with that one you get free popcorn. Ooh, even better. And here we have sweet popcorn and it's so good. So guys, I just went to the international ferry and it was so cool. Like this one means I love you and in Korean, and I still think it's so pretty. Jumbo. I actually went into Jumbo now to get some, like I wanted to get some gloves, I wanted to get a new scarf, and I wanted to get big socks. But what did Selena buy? I bought myself chocolate. I also bought nuts. And the only thing I really needed was the gloves. They didn't have like beautiful scarves, but anyways, like I always go into stores and buy things I don't need. Why? Tell me why. Back again in the house, and now we have to like to pack everything and stuff. I'm not gonna do it all today, probably like we'll do the rest tomorrow because we leave on Friday in the afternoon, so we still have some time left to get everything done and sorted. I thought like this is just like general view and stuff, but maybe I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow what I'm exactly gonna pack. So stay tuned guys for more, and I will see you guys again very soon. And take care until then. Adios.